Dear students, this is your today's worksheet number 30, dated 3rd of February. So we were studying about reproduction in animals. So till now we have read about fertilization and its types. Now we will know about what happens after fertilization. तो फर्टिलाइजेशन के बारे में लास्ट हमने पढ़ा था कि मेल और फीमेल होते हैं. मेल गैमीट होता है स्पर्म, फीमेल गैमीट होता है ओवा या ओवम. So as we know that zygote is formed after the fusion of male gamete sperm and female gamete ova after fertilization. Now what happens after that? Development of embryo takes place. So fertilization results in the formation of zygote which begins to develop into an embryo. The zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to a ball of cells called embryo. Third point is the cells then begin to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. This developing structure is termed as an embryo. तो बेटा टिश्यूज़ के बारे में आप 9th क्लास में पढ़ोगे. टिश्यूज़ इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स विच डू द सेम फंक्शन टुगेदर. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल स्किन इज योर epithelial tissue. So it is doing the same function together. ठीक है. So this is picture depicting the fusion. So this is ova, your ovum with nucleus. Sperms are entering. This is sperm nucleus. ठीक है. This one is sperm nucleus. The nucleus fuses with nucleus. So see one nucleus is from sperm, one from ova, and both are fusing. So now this is called zygote. ठीक है. This is called zygote. Now this zygote divides into multiple cells. So this is known as embryo. Fusion of male and female gamete. Fourth question is the embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus for further development. The embryo continues to develop in the uterus. It gradually develops body parts such as hands, legs, head, eyes, ears. Stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called fetus. ठीक है बेटा. तो now you know the difference between zygote, embryo and fetus. So this is picture depiction of the process. These are this is ovary. It is releasing ovum. Ovum is going through the fallopian tube. In the fallopian tube, fertilization takes place. It becomes zygote. Now zygote turns into fetus, and fetus attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. Or fetus then develops into embryo. Embryo develops into fetus. Fetus develops into a child. क्योंकि fetus से ही जो group of cells होता है वो organs बनाता है और वो child का development होता है. तो fetus in the uterus. So this picture shows development of embryo. This is embedding of embryo in the uterus. This is fetus in the uterus. So you must go through the lesson in your book. It is going to help you in understanding the process of childbirth. ठीक है. Now check yourself. Give two differences between zygote and fetus. So zygote के बारे में आप यहाँ से लिख सकते हो और fetus के बारे में आप यहाँ से लिख सकते हो. लेकिन because you are in 8th class तो ढंग से लिखना 2-3 लाइन का आंसर. ठीक है बेटा. Second question is in which female reproductive organ does the embryo get embedded? इसका आंसर सिर्फ one word है uterus. ठीक है. Now question number 3 is define embryo and define fetus. तो अभी हमने जो पढ़ा है सारा यहाँ पे इसी में से आप एम्ब्रियो की डेफिनेशन और फीटस की डेफिनेशन ढूंढेंगे. नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. फर्स्ट इज न्यू ह्यूमन इंडिविजुअल डेवलप्स फ्रॉम ए सेल कॉल्ड गैमीट. दिस इज रॉन्ग. एग laid after fertilization is made up of single cell. Egg laid after fertilization of single cell. हाँ बेटा इसका न्यूक्लियस फ्यूज हो जाता है ना तो सिंगल सेल बन जाता है. करेक्ट है. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. It is also correct. And embryo is made up of single cell. Embryo नहीं, गलत है. Multiple cells होती है ना इसमें. So this is wrong. ठीक है. Now stay safe, stay home. But even if you have to go out of the house, you must wear mask. Ask your family members to do the same. Whenever you enter your house, you must wash your hands properly with soap and warm water. You can also wash your hands and apart from hands, feet and face. You can take bath or you change your clothes. It's up to your wish, but you must wash your hands. ठीक है.